We are at Design Install today, and I wanted to show you kind of the process, what it looks like when we show up. All the big stuff that we purchase online gets shipped straight to our client's house. So the couch arrived, and you will see the beautiful color was actually pulled from this light. The whole room in my brain was designed around the client's light that they already had, that they loved. So this stuff shipped here, and then all the hallway stuff that we just brought in, I shop local only at three stores, Home Depot, Home Goods, and Target, to pull the whole look together. You're doing great, babe.
Yeah, I know.
These draperies are going to be ironed in excellence.
Bring it up. Go this way.
Let's go see the beauty. This is Erica's favorite part of the job, feeling all the home good stuff.